Kevin, get up. What are you doing?
I'm doing the watermelon crawl.
Oh, gosh.
Just kidding.
Just
We're
teach
gonna-
the dance.
We're gonna teach you. Turn it around. Let's go.
I'll turn around so I can show you this way.
Ready. Right foot. Toe, heel, triple step, and toe, heel, triple step. Charleston. Step right, kick, left, and back, touch. Back, kick, back, touch. You can clap if you want to. Lauren's just trying to make me look silly. Sometimes you can do a double clap, you can do a single clap. I'm going to do a double just because she did a single right now. So, and step, and there it is. All right, grapevine to the right. Right behind, step, kick, left behind, and turn. Good, let's take that from the top one more time. Ready? Toe, heel, triple step. Toe, heel, triple step. Step, and back. Step, and grapevine. 1, 2, ready, kick. 1, 2, turn around. From here, there's two ways to do this. Way one, you just slide and shake it, slide and shake it. You're going right diagonal and then left diagonal back. Or you can shake it up, shake it back. From here, step it forward on your right, roll, roll, step, pivot, again, here, triple step. That's how you do the watermelon crawl.